Welcome to P&R Diner. My name is Baby, and on the menu today we have crispy roasted garlic and Parmesan chicken wings. These wings are made in an oven and they are delicious. So step right in and have a seat. So first I roasted my garlic. And then it was time to get the wings ready. And while the wings are hanging out over there, I'm gonna get the sauce ready. And then the wings are ready to go in the oven for 425 Fahrenheit and turning every 20 minutes until they are ready and crispy. These wings turn out fantastic. They are so tasty and I hope you give them a try. If you like this video, would you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't done so, and hitting that notification bell will let you know right away when we put up another video. I will see you there. Have a happy holidays and thank you for watching. Bye!